So this is the refrigerator size here, and here this is the 38 centimeters. 38 centimeters here from this way, and this is the length. Length is about 58 or 56 centimeters. I'll keep going. 继续嘛，看这儿这个长。So here this way. Here is about 44 centimeters. Okay, the refrigerator is finished. The sizing here. So the restroom. The restroom size here to there is just like 68 centimeters. And the size here. And the height here to there is about 135 centimeters. So you can see this is half meters to the top of it, and the length 深度量一下深度就可以了。So the length of this is 63 centimeters. Okay, the last thing is about the queen size size 长宽。Yeah, this is the 185 centimeters width of the sleeping area. 竖着来，竖着。So the size for this one is 190 centimeters. So this is the size of our trailer.